Most modern AEG induction hobs offer a specialist bridging function, allowing you to link zones to create larger cooking areas with shared temperature and time settings. Not only does this feature give you the freedom to experiment with recipes requiring specialist cookware, but it is perfect for those who love to entertain, as you can cook larger quantities. On many models, the bridging function operates on the left-hand cooking zones. Depending on your model, the controls will either look like this, where you can choose between having two standard-sized zones, a 75% to 25% split, or linking both zones together to make them act as one extra large cooking area. Or like this, which links 2 or sometimes 4 zones in the case of FlexiBridge hobs into one. Other models, such as those with Total Flex technology, allow you to place your cookware anywhere on the hob's large responsive glass surface. The hob will then automatically detect specialist cookware and activate the relevant bridging function. Power Slide is another great feature that you'll find on a range of AEG induction hobs, and it allows you to simply slide the cookware to adjust the power settings. To set the feature, press this icon. If needed, you can adjust the power settings on the front left control bar, but the automatic settings are the highest power setting, a middle setting and a low setting, ideal for taking a pan from boiling to simmering to keep warm. On most hobs with this feature, the front left zone will be the hottest and the back the coolest. But on Total Flex hobs, the power slide is horizontal, with the left being the hottest and the right the coolest. AEG induction hobs have a wide range of innovative features, so to get the most out of your appliance, we recommend familiarising yourself with the user manual, which can be downloaded from the AEG website. If you need any more help or advice, our consumer care team will be happy to help.